ClearOne Advantage Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're considering debt relief, ClearOne Advantage might be the solution you need. In this honest review, we'll break down its key features, benefits, drawbacks, and who it's best suited for. ClearOne Advantage specializes in debt settlement, designed for individuals struggling with high-interest credit card debt or unsecured loans. Their program works by negotiating directly with your creditors to settle your debt for less than you owe, offering a way to avoid bankruptcy and regain financial control. What sets ClearOne Advantage apart is their personalized approach. When you sign up, they create a customized debt relief plan based on your specific financial situation. This includes a monthly payment plan that aligns with what you can realistically afford, often much lower than your current obligations. They also offer access to a customer portal where you can track progress, view settlements, and stay updated on your program status. The company boasts an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and many customers report significant reductions in their debt, sometimes up to 50% after completing the program. One of the best parts? There are no upfront fees. ClearOne operates on a performance-based model, meaning you only pay once a settlement is reached and approved. However, it's important to consider the downsides. Debt settlement can impact your credit score temporarily, as the process often involves pausing payments to build negotiation leverage. You might also face potential tax consequences, as forgiven debt is considered taxable income. ClearOne Advantage is best suited for individuals with $10,000 or more in unsecured debt who are committed to completing a structured program over 24 to 48 months. ClearOne Advantage is not for everyone. If you're current on payments and simply looking for lower interest rates or quicker payoff times, other options like credit counseling or balance transfer credit cards may be better. But for those who are overwhelmed by debt and need a clear path toward resolution, ClearOne Advantage can provide real relief. In summary, ClearOne Advantage is a legitimate and effective solution for people in serious debt, with its tailored plans, proven track record, and customer-centric approach. Just be aware of the credit score impact and tax implications. If you're ready to take control of your finances, ClearOne Advantage could be worth considering. Make sure to do your due diligence. And remember, every financial situation is unique, so choose the solution that best aligns with your goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.